This video highlights some of the new and updated features of Brightspace Learning Environment 20.19.4. Learners can now create activity feed posts. A new configuration variable, D2L, Tools, Activity Feed, Learner Post Default, defaults to not allow learner posts. Your instructors can adjust this setting in the widget configuration settings on a course-by-course basis. Note: learner-generated posts will not display in Brightspace for parents. This feature implements PyItem D3999. To change posting and commenting abilities at the course level, click the Activity Feed context menu, then select Manage Commenting and Posting. Here, you can choose whether to allow learner posts. Click Save, and navigate the activity feed. Additionally, when posting, your image and name display as part of the post to identify each post or comment. When viewing posts you have made, the personalized pronoun me displays, and when viewing posts from others, their name will display. The Options menu has been changed from the word Options to an ellipses icon to better align the user experience for a more consistent, responsive view. New posts will display in real time with an inline notification in the activity feed. When instructors evaluate assignments and new or updated feedback is published, email instant notifications are available for learners. The upcoming work and overdue widgets will now display assigned checklist items. The upcoming work and overdue widgets will now display surveys with end dates included. A new Awards Issued advanced dataset has been added to Data Hub, providing information on awards that have been issued. This advanced dataset requires the Can Execute Awards Issued advanced dataset permission be set for administrators at the org level. Your instructors can now align learning outcomes to discussion topics. When learners participate in a discussion activity, the learning outcome displays following the description of the discussion topic. When creating or editing a discussion topic, a new Standards tab displays. Click it. To browse the standards available to your course, click Add Standards. Then, select the standards that apply to the discussion topic. Instructors can now assess discussion threads against learning outcomes aligned to a discussion topic. When assessing a discussion topic, instructors can now assess responses against learning outcomes aligned to the course. Instructors select from the available scale to assess the progress of selected outcomes. To align with the DMARC mail standard, changes have been made to forwarded email messages. For more information, review the release notes. Course designers can now add a D2L JavaScript solution to HTML content topics containing links to multiple HTML pages. With this JavaScript, the Content Tools Next and Previous buttons will navigate between the linked HTML pages instead of content topics. When printing QR codes, Portfolio now honors the section filter. When navigating to a learner portfolio in a list, your position in Portfolio is maintained, and when Brightspace for Parents isn't enabled, the Evidence Details section currently named Students and Parents will now display as Students. Users with the C Rubrics permission can now create Quicklinks directly to rubrics that are visible to learners. The C Rubrics permission is not required for learners to access Quicklink rubrics that are visible to learners and associated with a tool for evaluation. This feature implements PyItems D202 and D384. Click Insert Quicklink. Select Rubrics and choose the appropriate rubric. Learners can then follow the Quicklink to view their rubric. This feature releases a read-only preview of the quiz builder. D2L does not recommend using this feature in live production courses in its preview form. To preview this functionality, ensure the D2L, Tools, Quizzes, New Quiz Builder Experience configuration variable is set to On, Opt-in. When creating or editing a quiz, click Add Edit Questions. To preview the new quiz building experience, click Turn it on. Note, this experience is read-only. To close the preview, click You are previewing the new quiz building experience. Then, click Turn it off. D2L encourages you to share feedback on the new design as you leave the new experience preview. Instructors can now align learning outcomes to rubric criteria. You can now customize the My Courses widget to hide or show course states. Note, changes you make to this widget configuration setting impact all users. This feature implements PI items D5080, D5022, and D5044. There is now an option to display course start and end dates when customizing the My Courses widget.